Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Plans are in motion for the 2018 staging of the Jamaica Festival Song Competition, which was officially launched last night at the J. Rent Nephews 23 Bar in New Kingston. E-Prime was there to enjoy the festivities of the evening, rubbing shoulders with the organizers, well-wishers, and experiencing some of the finest Jamaican cultural musical talent.
Sing the tune, le, 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 le. Another one come, another one come. I'm another one come, yes.
Hey, yeah, yeah. Jamaican, out of many way I want. Down in Jamaica where me born and grow. My nice country where the roots beat grow.
The 2018 staging is preceded by the year's hiatus in 2017, when the organizers agreed to take a break following some unsatisfactory entries. The launch kick-started the competition 8 months in advance, giving enough time for the entrants to prepare. Promising an exciting cultural affair, they told us what to expect for 2018.
For 2018, we wish to ensure that we restore the former glory of the Festival Song Competition, and therefore we have taken on a number of initiatives to try and ensure that that is achieved.
For 2018, we're going to ensure that we conduct workshops. So whatever entries come in, we have enough lead time to do workshops right across the island, even before the entries are received, so that the level of songwriting, song must be a catchy song. It doesn't have to be a specific genre of Jamaican music, as long as it is a song that reflects the Jamaican spirit.
The 2018 festival song winner will be announced in July, with the top finalists receiving a share of $10 million Jamaican money. The city of Kingston will come alive for the 3rd annual staging of the R.J. Arguina Communications Group Kingston Music Week under the theme A Celebration of Jamaican Tourism, Awakening the Sleeping Giant. From December 3 to 9, patrons will be able to enjoy live music events nightly from our radio brands, including Hits at the Mill, Fame Up Next, RGR's Public Forum, Power After 5, along with creative forums, dance workshops, and other exciting events. Stay tuned to TVJ for more information and, of course, coverage of Kingston Music Week 2017. On the international scene, the legal woes for rapper Meek Mill continues. Just weeks after receiving a 2 to 4 years prison sentence for probation violations, the rapper will have to face the courts once again. Meek has been called to answer a wrongful death lawsuit stemming from a 2016 shooting incident during one of his concerts where 2 men were fatally shot. The suit claims that Mill and his Rock Nation management team allowed thugs to remain on the premises after exhibiting aggressive behavior towards patrons. They argued that the concert venue was not properly staffed with security on the night of the incident. Meek Mill denied having any involvement in the shooting, stating that the claims made against him in the lawsuit were filled with racist undertones and stereotypes. And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.